I was able to pick up the ceramic all-in-one wax from Griots. This is the wax that has SiO2 technology in it. It's also a swirl remover at the same time. They've had the ceramic 3-in-1 wax out for a while. The nice thing about this is that you're getting this protection at the same time as removing swirls, light scratches. It says removes fine surface defects, creates superior hydrophobic water beading, durability, intense gloss by hand or orbital polisher. So you can apply this like you would a regular wax by just wiping it on basically, and then letting it cure, wipe it off. Or you can use a machine to get the effects of removing the swirls and scratches. So I wanted to test this out to see how well it does. What I might do is do part of a panel with this and part of the panel with the correcting cream that they have to just compare how well each one does comparably with this. This vehicle has some scratches from being on the trail. You can see right there. I'm going to see if I can get those out. I'm using the foaming surface prep from Griots with the Boss Cannon to decontaminate the surface before even washing it. So I'll apply that and then pressure wash and then use a mitt to wash the vehicle. So the next step in this process, I'm going to clay bar the whole vehicle. I'm using a detailer spray. I like Griots products, obviously. You're going to use a small piece of clay, make it into a small pancake shape, and you're going to slide it across, and you will feel it get smoother as it grabs stuff from the surface of the paint. You have brake dust, other contaminations like road tar, and this is all getting pulled out by that clay. And over time, you'll need to remold your clay, but you're going to get all this off the surface of your paint. So when you do your polishing, you're not just grabbing this with your foam pad or whatever you're using, and really you'd be adding scratches by doing that without removing this first. So what I'll do, I'll fold this back over, work it out into the shape again, and continue on. I'll do the whole vehicle before I even start any sort of paint correction. So now I'm going to apply the ceramic all-in-one wax. I will be using the correcting cream on this side. This part I'm not going to be applying anything, and this will be the ceramic all-in-one. Using the Griots microfiber towel to wipe this off. I'm going to use this light to kind of show. There's the scratches there. Probably hard to see in the camera, but there's a definite difference between the line of one versus the other. See that line a little bit right there and right there. With the correcting cream and the ceramic wax, looks pretty close to about the same amount of scratch removal comparably. Might be hard to see with the camera, but the Ceramic All-in-One wax did a really good job on removing minor defects. I wouldn't hesitate to use this as a one-step on a vehicle that only had minor swirl marks and scratches. This is 24-hour ceramic All-in-One wax. I was pretty surprised at how well it cheats the water off. Instead of just beading, it's more hydrophobic than I expected it to be. Here I wanted to test out the difference between the ceramic 3-in-1 spray versus the ceramic all-in-one wax. So on the panel on the left section, I applied the ceramic 3-in-1 spray, and on the right is the ceramic all-in-one wax. This is a vehicle that has had no wax, sealants, anything applied to it at all. So it's going to be a better comparison than having been on a vehicle that has had other chemicals applied. Initially, it looks like they are both very comparable on how hydrophobic they are. I might say that the ceramic all-in-one wax is maybe a little bit better. I'll give it a few weeks and see what the difference is on them, and maybe do an update on how both of them are holding up over time. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. YouTube now has a setup to where you can become a member of a channel. It's a small subscription fee each month, and I also have the Patreon link set up under the info on here also.